What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the TECEVO S220 Bluetooth mini soundbar speaker. Now I've been really excited to get this in for review because I've never reviewed a soundbar before and I was really keen to share this with you guys. So the S220 is NFC capable, it's got Bluetooth version 3.0, you can manage your phone calls on there, it's got an aux port, bass reflex enhanced output, it's got a lithium ion battery inside, as well as a micro SD card slot. Alright guys, so this is what we get in the box. Of course, the mini soundbar itself, as well as a user manual and a couple of cables, one micro USB cable and one connecting aux cable. So here it is guys, and I must say I really do like its design. It's such a dinky little soundbar, it's really cool. Alright guys, so here are the ports. You've got your aux port, micro USB charging port, and of course that micro SD card slot. There's a couple of rubber feet on the bottom as well for grip. So as you can see guys, we're in pairing mode and it's really easy to do. All you have to do is simply long press on this knob here and it goes into pairing mode. But this is also your volume and power off. Alright guys, so let's get into that all important sound test. So listening back to that recording guys, it actually doesn't do it that much justice in my opinion. Compared with what you've just heard, in real life it sounds a lot better than that. It can actually produce some really tasty bass frequencies and it sounds very full for how small this is. And actually guys, I had it up in the living room as well and it really did fill the room. And at its full volume it actually didn't distort at all. So that was very impressive in my opinion. The sound is nice and clean, it's nice and crisp, and I think it does a really good job of keeping lows, mids and highs all at a good ratio. So I was able to get about 7 or 8 hours of music playback from the S220. It's got a 1200 mAh battery inside of it, so I thought that was pretty good. Battery life is pretty good for the sound quality you get guys. And I've had no connectivity issues at all, it just kind of works really well guys. But what do you guys think? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. I will put a link below if you're interested. Thank you very much for watching, I really do appreciate it. Please like the video if you did so, and why not subscribe for more. I'll talk to you in the next one.